Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Key in Chicago. Today, I'm exploring one of the most iconic spots in the city, the Art Institute of Chicago. Let's go discover some art, beauty, and history. One of the most magical parts of the museum is the Thorne Miniature Rooms. They're tiny, detailed recreations of rooms from history. It's like peeking into a little world frozen in time. Everything is so small but so perfect, even the lights and curtains. Next, we step into the Japanese Art Gallery, a calm, quiet space filled with beauty and history. Here you will find traditional woodblock prints, ancient ceramics, and detailed scrolls that tell stories from centuries ago. Every piece feels peaceful and thoughtful, showing the harmony between art and nature. You'll find stunning artwork from around the world. That's so amazing. The Art Institute is a calm, inspiring place. Whether you are here for an hour or all day, you leave with your heart a little fuller. Thanks for joining me today at the Art Institute of Chicago. If you're in the city, this place is a must-see. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures with Kate in Chicago. See you next time. Bye!